Multiply 301 by 32 using long multiplication. Start with the ones digit, 2. 2 times 1 is 2. 2 times 0 is 0. 2 times 3 is 6. The first partial product is 602. Now use the tens digit, 3. Start one place to the left. 3 times 1 is 3. 3 times 0 is 0. 3 times 3 is 9. The second partial product is 9030. Now add the partial products, working from right to left. In the ones column, 2 plus 0 is 2. In the tens column, 0 plus 3 is 3. In the hundreds column, 6 plus 0 is 6. In the thousands column, bring down 9. The product of the whole numbers is 9632. So 301 times 32 is 9632.